Today we are going to learn built-in function del attribute. Now let's get started. Here I have created a class called person with attribute age, name and salary. To create object for this class, you need to specify object name and class name. Now you can access attribute of class person. Say if you want to restrict any of the attribute access, then you can use this del attribute function. This will delete the access to that attribute. Now let's see the example. For del attribute function, you need to pass del attribute. Then in the function, first argument would be the class name, then the attribute which you want to remove the access. Here I want to remove access for salary, so I passed salary attribute. Now hit enter. Now let's try to access salary again. Here you can see now it will print an attribute error. This is how we use del attribute. You can also use del built-in function. It will also work in a similar way how del attribute function works. For that you need to specify del, then the class name. Here it is person dot now I want to remove the access for age, so person dot age. Now let's try to access age again. Here you can see it printed error. This is how we use del attribute function and del built-in function in Python. Thanks for watching.